Starting around 27 July 2023, a share endlessness basically is exchanging at $6.04 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.66% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. Axie has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $848,532,689, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $38,046,888, which generally is very critical. This especially makes a share limitlessness, Axie really positioning at 46 in the cryptographic money market, in a kind of significant manner. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the share boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023. What will a share vastness explicitly be worth in 2023? Which generally is very critical. Is a share vastness in all things considered? Why is speculation or in every way that really matters worth purchasing in 2023 in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Axie cost basically outperform its unsurpassed genuinely high in an unpretentious manner? These are our share boundlessness cost expectations for Axie future. A share vastness, Axie, value forecast 2023. As per the share limitlessness estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie value sort of is supposed to in a real sense, cross an all things considered, normal value level of $7.48. The normal extremely least value worth of a share vastness, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to truly be $7.17. Or so they explicitly thought. Besides, Axie can arrive at a greatest value level of $8.05. Or so they thought. Axie value figure July 2023. The share endlessness estimate for July 2023 expects that the Axie may by and large arrive at a very greatest worth of $6.57 with an exceptionally least cost of around $5.78 as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the very normal value, Axie can fundamentally stretch around $6.39 for July in an unobtrusive manner. Axie value conjecture August 2023. The share limitlessness figure for August 2023 expects that the Axie may arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $6.89 with an in every practical sense least cost of around $6.21 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value, Axie can sort of stretch around $6.52 for August in an in every practical sense large way. A share boundlessness value estimate September 2023. The very normal cost of a share limitlessness, Axie, could generally go to $6.71 toward the finish of September 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Axie could be exchanging around and in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $7.15, with the very least expected cost of $6.47, which is very huge. Axie value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of a share endlessness generally is estimated to sort of be at around a sort of least worth of $6.68, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The share vastness value worth can truly arrive at a limit of $7.49, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $6.98 in United States dollars, which generally is very critical. A share limitlessness value expectation November 2023. A share boundlessness cost in a real sense is supposed to by and large reach between $6.95 to $7.77 in November 2023, while the typical cost of Axie for the November especially remains around $7.19 a share endlessness. Axie value expectation December 2023. The cost for a share vastness in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $7.17 and $8.05 in a sort of significant manner, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $7.48. A share limitlessness, extremely past value examination and the specific beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been especially diminished by 0.43% in its fundamentally current worth, which essentially shows that Axie generally has a truly complete market cap of $848,532,689, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $38,046,888, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that we generally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, So in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the share boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will a share vastness in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023? Exceptionally, in spite of prevalent thinking, a share vastness especially is confronting an all things considered tough time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins in a genuinely large way. The Axie truly is down to nearly 6.51% in the truly most recent 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past not very many days. The coin could, all things considered, have major areas of strength for genuinely. However, we don't truly feel that it would a productive resource and kind of transient in a huge manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axies for the most part diminished by 35.738%, taking out an incredible really normal amount of $3.36 from its sort of current worth, which in a real sense is very critical. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a kind of good truly purchase a potential open door for truly fast speculation, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 48.51%, and the cost especially coursed from an in every practical sense, least certainly normal cost of $10.80 to buy and large greatest pretty normal cost of $12.31 in the all things considered recent days, which in every way that really matters, shows that the Axie in a real sense is down to nearly 6.51% in the genuinely most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. A share boundlessness by and large is somewhere near 9.17%, with the kind of most extreme kind of normal cost of the coin really was around $6.96, and the kind of least sort of normal cost of truly was around $6.76 in exceptionally beyond 4 months. Certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking, a share vastness value estimate 2023 facts what will fundamentally be a share endlessness essentially worth in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner. The Axie value sort of is estimated to basically arrive at a very greatest degree of $8.05, with certainly least cost of $7.17, toward the finish of 2023, which really is very critical. Does a share endlessness for the most part have a future? Which really is very critical. As far as value, a share boundlessness truly has an exceptional sort of potential to arrive at new levels in an in every practical sense large way. It basically is conjecture that Axies will increment in esteem, so the 90 days cost change is near 48.51%, and the value sort of coursed from a truly least typical cost of $10.80 to kind of most extreme truly normal cost of $12.31 in the beyond 90 days. Which truly shows that the Axie truly is down to nearly 6.